In the story of human exploration, there have always been moments that redefined what we thought was possible. From the first steps on the moon to the dreams of interstellar travel, our curiosity has always pushed us forward, inspiring generations to look up and wonder what lies beyond our world. In this new era, few companies have captured the imagination like SpaceX. It's not just a company, it's a symbol of ambition, innovation, and the relentless pursuit of the unknown. Founded by Elon Musk with the audacious goal of making humanity multi-planetary, SpaceX has become a beacon for those who believe our future lies among the stars. What began as a risky startup has evolved into the undisputed leader of the modern space race, setting new standards for what private industry can achieve in space. Its Falcon 9 rockets, with their dramatic and now almost routine landings, have become icons of a new era, one where reusability and cost efficiency are rewriting the rules of spaceflight. For millions, these achievements have made space feel closer than ever before, turning distant dreams into tangible realities and sparking the imagination of young and old alike. Today, SpaceX is a dominant force in commercial, scientific, and military space operations, actively building the future with every mission it undertakes. Each launch, each satellite deployed, is a step toward a larger vision, one that extends far beyond our planet and into the fabric of daily life. Imagine a world connected by global internet, where information flows freely to even the most remote corners of the Earth, bridging divides and opening new opportunities. And looking even further ahead, SpaceX envisions thriving cities on Mars, self-sustaining outposts that could one day become new homes for humanity. As whispers of a public offering grow louder and its valuation soars to unprecedented heights, the world is watching closely. SpaceX now stands on the cusp of another transformation, one that could bring its mission and vision directly into the hands of the public, inviting millions to become part of this extraordinary journey. This next phase is about more than technology or rockets. It's about public ownership, shared dreams, and the collective will to reach for the impossible. Together, we can help fund a dream as it reaches for the stars, turning science fiction into reality and making the universe our next great frontier.
The financial world took notice as SpaceX initiated an insider share sale, letting employees and early investors sell some of their stock. This move, while not entirely unprecedented, sent ripples through the investment community, as it offered a rare glimpse into the company's internal valuation and future ambitions. For many, it was a signal that something big was on the horizon.
This isn't just routine, it's a statement. The sale price of $421 per share values SpaceX at a staggering $800 billion, making it one of the most valuable private companies in the world. Such a valuation puts SpaceX in the same league as the biggest names in tech and industry, and it's a clear message to competitors and investors alike.
Insider sales like this reward early contributors and provide liquidity without a full public offering. Employees and early backers who took risks when SpaceX was just a bold idea now get to realize some of the value they helped create. It's a way to keep top talent motivated and loyal, while also attracting new investors.
SpaceX's CFO Brett Johnson announced a $2.56 billion buyback at this new price, putting cash in the hands of those who built the company. This buyback is not just a financial transaction, it's a reward for years of hard work and belief in SpaceX's mission, and it strengthens the company's reputation as an employee-focused innovator.
This valuation reflects SpaceX's powerful assets, Starlink, Starship, and a steady stream of launch revenue. Each of these projects represents a major leap forward in technology and business, and together they form the backbone of SpaceX's future growth and global influence.
It signals SpaceX's ambition to be a global tech and infrastructure giant, not just a space company. The company is positioning itself at the intersection of space, communications, and technology, aiming to reshape how the world connects and explores.
More importantly, this insider sale is seen as a precursor to an IPO, setting a benchmark for a future public listing. Investors are watching closely, as this move lays the groundwork for what could be one of the most anticipated IPOs in history.
It's a strategic move, building momentum and excitement among both current stakeholders and the broader market. The anticipation is palpable, and the financial world is abuzz with speculation about what's next for SpaceX. As SpaceX prepares to invite the world to invest in its mission, this insider sale marks a pivotal moment, one that could redefine the future of space, technology, and global investment.
An initial public offering, or IPO, is when a private company sells shares to the public for the first time, opening ownership to anyone. It's a major milestone for any business, marking the transition from a privately held company to one that's owned by public shareholders. This process not only allows everyday investors to buy a piece of the company, but also brings a new level of transparency and accountability. IPOs are often seen as a sign that a company has reached a certain level of maturity and is ready to take on the challenges and opportunities of the public market.
For SpaceX, an IPO could raise tens of billions, fueling projects like Starlink and Starship at an unprecedented scale. With access to public capital, SpaceX could accelerate the deployment of its satellite internet network, expand its launch capabilities, and invest in next-generation technologies. The influx of funds would help SpaceX compete globally and push the boundaries of space exploration even further.
Building a global satellite network and rockets for Mars requires astronomical funding. An IPO provides that rocket fuel. The costs of research, development, and manufacturing are immense, and public investment can help SpaceX scale up faster than ever before. It's a way to turn bold visions into reality, with the support of millions of investors worldwide.
It also gives early investors and employees a way to cash in, rewarding those who took risks in the company's early days. Stock options and equity become real, tangible wealth, and employees can share in the company's success, and increases the company's visibility and prestige. Being listed on a major stock exchange puts SpaceX in the global spotlight, attracting new partners, customers, and top talent.
But going public means more scrutiny, quarterly reporting, and accountability to a broad base of shareholders. Every financial move is watched closely, and the company must balance innovation with the expectations of Wall Street and the public.
Elon Musk has long preferred private ownership for its focus on long-term goals, but the scale of SpaceX's ambitions now demands public capital. The company's vision to make humanity multi-planetary requires resources on a scale only the public markets can provide.
The fact that SpaceX is considering an IPO signals it's ready for the next phase, funding the most capital-intensive chapter of its mission. It's a bold step that could reshape the future of space travel and global communications.
The benefits of raising massive capital now outweigh the drawbacks of public scrutiny. SpaceX is positioning itself to lead the next era of innovation, with the world watching.
SpaceX is preparing for a new journey, one that invites the public to join in its mission and share in its success. The leap into the public market marks the beginning of an exciting new era for SpaceX, as it aims to make its mission a truly public journey. SpaceX's $800 billion valuation is powered by two projects, Starlink and Starship.
Starlink is a satellite internet constellation, bringing high-speed broadband to every corner of the globe, especially underserved communities.
With millions of subscribers and new direct-to-mobile services, Starlink generates steady, recurring revenue.
This revenue funds SpaceX's most ambitious goals, making Starlink the economic engine for the company's future.
Starship, the most powerful rocket ever built, is designed for Mars colonization and can carry over 100 tons per trip.
Starship will deploy hundreds of Starlink satellites at once, accelerate lunar missions, and enable new space infrastructure.
The synergy is clear. Starlink funds Starship, and Starship expands Starlink, creating a cycle of innovation and growth.
Progress in both programs gives investors a compelling story of future growth.
This powerful combination justifies SpaceX's sky-high valuation.
It's what fuels the excitement around a potential IPO.
To understand SpaceX's direction, listen to its leaders.
Elon Musk has always focused on the long-term mission Mars.
Recently, Musk hinted at a SpaceX IPO, a shift for someone who's long valued private ownership.
This suggests SpaceX's capital needs for Starship and Mars now require public markets.
CFO Brett Johnson confirmed the $256 billion buyback and $800 billion valuation and addressed IPO speculation.
He said an IPO depends on execution and market conditions, but it's a logical next step if milestones are met.
Together, Musk and Johnson are charting a course that may soon lead through Wall Street.
An $800 billion valuation puts SpaceX among the world's titans, alongside Meta and above legacy giants like JP Morgan and ExxonMobil.
It's now the most valuable aerospace company, dwarfing Boeing and Lockheed Martin combined.
Investors are betting on SpaceX's potential to dominate global internet with Starlink and build a future space economy with Starship.
Only OpenAI rivals SpaceX's private valuation, showing where the future is headed: AI and space.
The leap to $800 billion reflects SpaceX's rapid execution, especially with Starlink's rollout and Starship's progress.
Each successful launch and new Starlink subscriber adds tangible value.
This explosive growth fuels the intense buzz around a potential IPO.
Until now, investing in SpaceX was reserved for the elite, venture capitalists and employees.
An IPO would let anyone with a brokerage account buy shares, democratizing ownership of a company aiming to build cities on Mars.
The excitement is huge. SpaceX combines a visionary leader, dominant market position, and a world-changing mission.
Many see echoes of Tesla's success and want to be part of SpaceX's public journey.
A SpaceX IPO could raise over $25 billion and push its valuation past $1 trillion, making it one of history's biggest market events.
Investors should expect high demand and volatility, but also a chance to join a legendary story.
But remember, an IPO is just the beginning, not a guaranteed ticket to riches.
Investing in SpaceX means believing in its long-term vision and being ready for the risks.
Investing in SpaceX is exciting, but the risks are real.
The aerospace industry is unforgiving. A single launch failure or Starship setback could hit the company hard.
The dream of Mars is a multi-decade, multi-trillion-dollar gamble with no guarantee of success.
If progress stalls, the market's perception could shift dramatically.
Competition is fierce. Boeing, Lockheed, Blue Origin, and Amazon's Project Kuiper are all in the race.
SpaceX's lead is strong, but the landscape is dynamic and could pressure profits.
There's also key person risk. Elon Musk's leadership is vital, but his attention is divided and his persona can create volatility.
Any change in Musk's role could unsettle investors.
Investing in SpaceX means betting on bold vision and accepting the risks that come with it.
SpaceX's $800 billion valuation and potential IPO mark a pivotal moment, not just for investors, but for humanity. The company is building infrastructure that will define the 21st century, changing our relationship with space and life on Earth. Starlink's success helps close the digital divide, bringing internet to underserved communities and unlocking new opportunities. Starship isn't just about Mars. It could revolutionize logistics, science, and industry in orbit and on Earth. A SpaceX IPO invites the public to participate in this grand endeavor, symbolizing the mainstreaming of space exploration. It's a sign that the space economy is coming of age. SpaceX's journey is a testament to bold vision and relentless execution, inspiring us to tackle great challenges. Whether or not you invest, SpaceX's progress matters. It's a reminder that even the most audacious goals are within reach.